Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to delete archived messages on Facebook Messenger app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in. Now on your screen, you can see your old conversations along with share a thought, search bar, menu and create a new message. On the top left corner, go to the menu, then options like chats, marketplace, message requests and archive will appear. Your archived messages will be obviously under archive. Now under archive, select the message you want to delete, swipe left on the message, then tap on more. There you can see delete option, select delete, then tap on delete. Then the entire conversation with that person under archive will be deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete archived messages on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.